Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to create curved text for your Google Slides presentations. If you want to transform a phrase like meet macros, the process is quite straightforward. First, navigate to inkbx.com. This site offers several easy ways to arch your text. Select your preferred style from the options provided. For this example, we will use the basic curve. Once selected, scroll down to the text input area. Now, return to your Google slide and highlight the text you wish to modify. Press Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on Windows to copy it. Head back to the website and use Command-V or Control-V to paste your words into the box. Your text will appear instantly. You can adjust the dimensions, pick a new color, or experiment with different fonts until you are satisfied with the look. Let's switch to this font for now. To bring this back into Google Slides, click the Download button. You can choose between PNG or JPEG, but I recommend PNG for its transparent background. After clicking Download, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Back in Google Slides, delete the original text box since we are replacing it. Simply drag the downloaded image from your folder and drop it onto your slide. Adjust the placement as needed. That is all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.